going to teach you a quick and easy NLP technique that you can do to take the sting out of a mildly unpleasant memory. This could be something that annoyed you in the past, not a trauma, but something that bugs you in some way. Something that perhaps you replay in your head but would rather not. I think we've all got memories of irritating experiences, and we recreate the annoyance as we relive the experience in our heads. This technique will not erase the event from your memory, of course. The idea is to make it so that this minor experience doesn't irritate or upset you anymore. Done correctly, it will leave you indifferent to it. It's just an imagination exercise, if you will. Okay, ready? Got an example of a mildly unpleasant or annoying experience? Okay, you've got the scene in your mind's eye. Now, imagine you have controls available to you, like on a TV or a DVD player, only with more options. Picturing the scene, are you seeing the scene through your own eyes, or are you looking at it as if you're looking at a picture or watching a movie? If you're seeing the scene through your own eyes, it means you're fully associated with it. So, I'd like you to imagine stepping out of the scene and viewing it as if you're looking at a photo of the scene instead. Is the image life-size? Now imagine using those controls to make it smaller than life-size. Shrink it to about 50% of life-size. Can you see yourself moving in this scene? If so, imagine pressing a stop button. Make it static. Is the image in 3D? If it is, make it a flat image. Is it in color? If it is, drain the color out of the image and make it black and white now. Is it in focus? Make it a little bit out of focus so the edges of everything are softened. Now soften it a little more. It should look quite blurry now. Now make the image smaller, about 25% of life size. Is the image of the scene close to you? Just like setting a picture on the wall, imagine picking it up and placing it away from you, as far as your arms can reach. Now imagine using your controls now to push it further away, and further away still. You can't even reach it now. Now blur the image more. It's black and white, so now reduce it to make it grey and white. Now reduce it more so that it's pale grey and white. Now make it even smaller. And move it further away. Now it's just a speck in the distance. You can barely even see it now. For some of you, this will work first time, leaving you indifferent to the annoying memory. For some of you, you may need to do it again. Really commit to doing it and following these instructions. Use your great imagination to follow the steps, and it will work for you.